poor Bailey. You went in. You went in, you poor fella. Oh, you poor fella. That was our first near drowning. Come on, we go through the woods. Come on. Oh, no, it's so easy. You poor baby. Oh, my God. Well, that's the first time that's ever happened. And I obviously didn't catch it on camera. Because when your dog falls in the river... Oh, I'm sorry for laughing. When the dog falls in the river, you throw the camera away and you take the dog out of the river. Getting the footage for the grams is not the main focus of this business. It's to get the dog out of the bloody water. Oh my God, you poor pet. You poor pet. We'll quickly move back to the van and get the towel around him. Good boy. Good boy. You poor wet fella. Okay. So it's a fast walk now. Back to the van. Thankfully it's not actually freezing out. But we're not far away from freezing. Really. He's obviously not that freezing. Look at him. Good boy. Well, there's a bit of enrichment now. A bit of enrichment for your pet. And some memories. Thank God he has the harness on. Oh my God. It just seems to be one of those weeks where things are just keeping on happening, and I don't know. Anyway, you gotta just keep showing up, don't you? Just keep showing up. Yeah. Come on, we get you home. Come on. Okay, bye.